Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is "ah." In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. Okay, let's read it. 我们一起读 "ah, ah," light and short. "Ah," but we need to pay attention. "Ah" as a modal particle. The pronunciation "ah" will be changed according to the formal syllable. So if you want to know more details about it, you can check this video and I will teach you how to pronounce "ah." Okay, let's write it. 我们一起写竖横折横横折折钩竖横竖横折横竖钩"ah." So how we use "ah"? We know "ah" as a modal particle. So we always use end of the sentence. When "ah" used at the end of a sentence, we will say it set a mood. For example, today is very hot. 天真热. You see? I just tell you the truth. 天真热. Today is very hot. But if I add a "ah," I will say 天真热啊. How you feeling about these two sentences? 天真热. 天真热啊. So in the second sentence, I add "ah" and add my mood. 天真热. So anytime you want to set a mood, you just add a "ah." The second meaning is indicate approval. For example, are you a student? Yes. How will you say yes? 是的. But it here sounds like you just learn from the textbook. So if you daily life, you will say 是啊. Okay. 好啊. Correct. 对呀. We just add a "ah." The third meaning is indicate an urge or remind, oh, sorry, I make a mistake here. Teacher will make a mistake. So teacher will say what? 对不起. And if you say okay, so you can also say okay 啊. 没问题啊. So you say approve my project. So let's say it, urge or remind. Don't forget. 别忘了. But if you also can add a 别忘了啊. Tomorrow I remind you, don't forget. 别忘了. So you can feel these two sentences for the meaning is no difference, but the feeling is different. For example, 别忘了, 别忘了. 你好, 你好啊. Very good. Okay, but sometimes not use end of a sentence. Sometimes they use in the middle of the sentence. So it indicates a stop and tell you the important thing is coming. So if you go back to hear some leader, they make a speech, they always say, 下面啊, 我们来说一件事. So they say, following, we were talking about something. So here, the just have a stop and give you a chance to have a rest, then tell you the important thing is coming. So 下面, Teacher Sunny will ask you a question. So following, Teacher Sunny will ask you a question. So the important part is Teacher Sunny will ask you a question. But I'll have tell you, okay, pay attention now. So you always hear Teacher Sunny say, during I having class, because I want you to pay attention to me. So, here's a very important one. Okay, so that is all about "ah" as a modal particle. Do you get it? 你们都会了吗? If you liked this video, please like and share it to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.